Chapter 2, Operation Mode Screen Options. Touch the working man icon in the top right corner to access the Operation Mode screen. The Operation Mode screen is where most of your rate, tank fill, bumps up or down, and manual calibrations will be performed. Across the top of this screen are three boxes. On the left is the job counter, in the middle is the gallons sprayed, and on the right is the area covered. Below that, on the left of a tank remaining volume icon, is a speed display. It will indicate 0 when you're not moving, unless you've enabled simulated speed. Then it will display either your low or high value. And on the right of the tank volume remaining icon is displayed the target rate. Below the tank volume remaining icon is a display of the boom section configured for your spray star. Each boom section is displayed in red. They will indicate on with a blue spray pattern icon under each boom section and off with a grayed out sprayed pattern icon for the number of sections configured at the factory. At the bottom of the main display is a pressure range indicator that will show the available range of pressures with a selected tip. Below the pressure range indicator is a diamond icon that will move in accordance with actual pressure when the spray star is operating, either in real time or simulated mode. Along the right side of this display, there's another series of icons, which we will discuss from top to bottom. There's two at each position, one on the left and one on the right. Top left, number 1 is automatic or manual. Top number 1 right is home. Number 2 left, tank volume. Number 2 right is information. Number 3 left is master stop. Number 3 right is bump plus. Number 4 left is simulated speed on or off. Number 4 right is bump minus. Number 5 left is simulated speed high or low. By touching the bottom right icon, Toggle Preset Target Rates will toggle between the 5 preset target rates previously set in the main setup menu. Each time the icon is touched, it will toggle through another value from low to high back to low. By touching the top left one, automatic or manual switches between an automatic control of rate over speed and manual control of the application rate. On the top right, home will return you to the home screen. Number 2 on the left is tank volume, and this will enable a pop-up screen with a keypad and or slider to set the current tank volume up to the maximum preset. Number 2 on the right toggles between the display values to the left of the tank volume remaining display, and normally you would leave this in the speed value. Number 3 left, master stop, will immediately stop all spraying operations. Touching number 3 right, bump plus, bumps your preset target rate up by the percentage in your main preset menu. It can also be used to lower the target rate back down after a bump up. And again, the bump value will be displayed above the target rate display on the main screen. By touching number 5, the bottom one on the left, it will switch between the high and low simulated speed. The simulated speed setting will then be displayed on the main screen to the left of the tank volume when enabled. Again, it's really important for us to reinforce that when performing a manual calibration, ensure that you are not in an open job from the main screen, as it will not work. If you don't get flow in simulated speed, that's typically the reason. By touching the bottom right icon, toggle preset target rates. Toggles between the 5 preset target rates previously set in the main setup menu. Each time the icon is touched, it will toggle through another value from low to high back to low.